What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patra Kiera, and in today's video I am going to be doing a review on my Adidas Samba OG sneakers. So funny story, I just want to throw this in here real quick, but my first retail job was at Adidas. I was just so excited to start working there, and honestly working there was like a really dope experience. There were a lot of celebrities that would come in, and also, you know, we got free Adidas clothes, which was also cool at the time. But yes, now we're just gonna get straight into this sneaker review. So for those of you who aren't familiar with the Adidas Samba sneakers, they are these right here. These are the Adidas Samba OG sneakers. The Sambas come in a few different variations, the most popular being the Samba OGs, and there's also the Samba Classics. The Adidas OG Sambas are a part of the Originals collection. And if you aren't familiar with how to tell if it's Originals or Sports Performance, the Originals logo is the 3 trefoil leaf like so. And the Sports Performance logo is whenever you see the logo with the 3 stripes. These are more of a lifestyle sneaker. As you guys can see, they don't even look like something that you would really perform a sport in anyways. So that is why I really enjoy these. I thrifted these sneakers because I needed a new shoe for work. Anytime I would go to work, I would wear my Converse sneakers. It's like my comfortable shoes, but Converse are not comfortable for my feet, like they're not. At the end of every night, my feet will be hurting. But when I tried on these sneakers right here, my feet felt like they were in pillows. Like, I saw reviews where people say that these shoes are not comfortable, but for me, I wear these almost every single day, and these shoes are so comfortable. First of all, y'all don't judge me. I said I thrifted these, but I wear them really often. Therefore, the laces are a little dirty, but I just want to show you the design of the sneakers. They have this dark gum bottom sole. They say Samba right here on the side, and the white, like the upper sole, I think that's what you would call it, is leather. So the top is leather, and then we have the suede detail right here. And on the older sneakers, they actually have the trefoil logo on the back, but these are clearly not as old, so they do not have that. The inside of mine are like insane, but they say Adidas on the inside. They just have like a lot of lint on the inside. But they say Adidas on the inside, and the bottom has all of this grip. I'm not gonna get too much into the history of the shoe. There is a video that I will link below by Nacho Average Finds, and he does a great job of explaining why the Samba is a sneaker that is a cultural icon. The sneaker was created to provide traction on frozen grounds for soccer players. It was meant originally to be a soccer shoe or football sneaker for European countries, but it actually was released in Brazil during the World Cup for marketing because Adidas didn't really know how they were gonna market the shoe. And therefore the Samba was born. After that, years later, the shoe became really popular back in the 90s with skateboarders. The Samba somehow became a grail after Jerry Lorenzo posted them on his Instagram. After he posted a photo on Instagram wearing the sneakers and writing about it in his caption, the sneakers sold out like everywhere. Not only has the shoe been worn by Jerry Lorenzo, but the shoe has been worn by A$AP Rocky, A$AP Nas. Also, Grace Wells Bonner has a collab that she did with the Samba, as well as so many other influential people. And I'm assuming, you know, it just has clout now. Like, the Samba is a clout shoe. The difference between the Samba Classic and the Samba OG is like the Classic has a longer tongue, which I don't really like that. And also the outer sole is a little different, which is not too bad, but I just can't take the longer tongue. It's just not my vibe. I am super thankful to have the Samba OG sneakers. These are my favorite sneakers. In my last video, I had these shoes on and I just wanted to do a review on them, especially now that I know the story behind this sneaker and knowing that it's as influential as it is. If you guys are able to come across a pair of Sambas, or if you own a pair of Sambas, please let me know down in the comment section, and also let me know if you knew about this cultural craze that the Sambas hold. That is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to let me know down in the comment section. Also, if you were a little entertained, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can see this cool content that I make weekly. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.